Hey guys, so quick possible solution on if your Nespresso virtual machine is not pumping water at all. The one thing that you can try to do, and maybe it's going to fix the issue for you, so it can be probably an airlock. Mine had it when I first got mine. I also filled the receiver up with water and put it on and off the base a few times. Then just push the button on top to force it to dry over and over until it broke the airlock. I didn't figure out myself. I called the support number and they walked me through it. It took about 15 minutes to get it working. So make sure also the water container is properly in place. And there's also this video right here from this person, the how to fix this Vertuo airlock and no coffee water coming out issue. And just do this, what they're going to talk about the video, and maybe it's going to help to fix the issue for you. So have a great day and goodbye.